language enthusiast, welcome back to my channel. I'm Labony, your guide in this linguistic adventure. Today we're embarking on an exciting 10 minutes English speaking practice designed to be simple, fun, and effective. Before diving into the video, let's subscribe this channel now. In the next 10 minutes, we'll start with a light warm-up, tackle some friendly words for pronunciation, learn some new words and new sentences, and engage in a casual chat. Now, let's dive into our warm-up that's not just about pronunciation, but also about getting comfortable expressing simple ideas. Repeat these sentences after me. A. Good morning. It's a beautiful day today. B. I love learning new things in English. C. How about we have a fantastic day of language practice? If you are watching this in the morning, say good morning. If it's the evening, try good evening. Remember, the more you speak, the more comfortable you become. D. My favorite color is white. What about yours? E. I enjoy listening to English song. F. One thing I want to learn in English is lots of phrasal verbs. Nice job! Feel free to come up with your sentences as well. The goal is to get those words flowing and build confidence in expressing yourself in English. Awesome! Remember, it's not just about the words. It's about you feeling comfortable using English to express your thoughts. Now let's smoothly transition into our pronunciation practice. Let's delve into a dynamic pronunciation drill. We're not just working on individual words, but also on the rhythm and flow of sentences. Let's start with some everyday words that often present pronunciation challenges. A. Comfortable. Comfortable. B. Restaurant. Restaurant. C. February. February. So repeat these words after me. Pay attention to the sounds and how they come together. Pronunciation is like a dance of sounds, and the more you practice, the smoother your linguistic dance becomes. Now let's elevate the challenge. So I will say a sentence and I want you to repeat it. Focus on individual words, but also on the natural rhythm and intonation of the sentences. A. I feel comfortable speaking English in a restaurant. In February, we often experience cold weather. She ordered a delicious dessert at the restaurant. Very good. Feel free to rewind and practice these sentences as many times as you need. The goal is not just to pronounce individual words correctly, but to speak with the natural flow of everyday conversation. So here are some more sentences. D. I find it comfortable to speak English every day. Excellent! Pronunciation is not about perfection, but progress. Keep practicing and you'll notice the improvement in your spoken English. Word of the day. Our word of the day is smile. Say it with me. Smile. Now, let's use it in a sentence. A smile can brighten someone's day. Mini conversation. Imagine we're chatting over a cup of tea, and I'll start. How was your day? So you can respond with a simple sentence like, my day was good. I enjoyed some sunshine. Feel free to pause and think. This is like a friendly chat and there are no wrong answers. The goal is to express yourself in simple, clear sentences. Word number 2, happy. Say it with me. Happy. So happy means feeling good and joyful. Now let's use it in different sentences to understand it better. So here are some examples of sentences using happy. Repeat after me, alright? A. When I see my friends, I feel happy. B. Eating ice cream makes me happy. C. A sunny day can make anyone feel happy. Can you share a sentence about something that makes you happy? Remember, it can be anything from your day-to-day life. Great job! Expressing feelings is an essential part of language. Now let's keep it interactive. Let's imagine another simple conversation using our word happy. This helps us see how it fits into everyday talk. Ready? A is saying, "What makes you happy?" B is answering like this. "Spending time with my family makes me happy." Now it's your turn. Think about sentences that makes you happy and share it in the comment. It could be your favorite food, a hobby, or even a sunny day. Listening to music always makes me happy. Fantastic! So conversations are a wonderful way to practice new words and connect with others. Keep sharing your thoughts and making language learning a joyful experience. Our last word of the day is friend. Say it with me. Friend. A friend is someone you like and enjoy spending time with. Now let's use friend in some easy sentences. Repeat after me. I have a friend at school named Sarah. Playing games with a friend is fun. A friend is someone you can talk to when you are feeling happy or sad. Now, let's make this fun. Can you tell us about a friend you have or something nice you did with a friend? It could be a real friend or even an imaginary one. And my friend and I drew pictures together yesterday. Now let's make it even more interesting. Imagine you were having a short chat with a friend. Let's use our word friend in a little conversation. Ready? Yes, we are ready. Do you have a friend from your neighborhood? Yes, I have a friend named Alex who lives next door. We play together a lot. And it's your turn. Can you think of a question about friends and give an answer using the word friend? Feel free to share in the comment box again. I like riding bikes with my friend and it's so much fun. Awesome! Conversations about friends are a great way to practice using new words and share your experience. So, keep it up. Fantastic work, language buddies! We have warmed up, practiced some words, learned some new sentences, and even had a casual chat. Remember, every small step counts on your language journey. If you enjoyed this 10-minute English speaking practice, then you have to like this video, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon because I'll post another video very soon. And you can share it with your language pals. Consistency is your secret weapon. So make this exercise a part of your daily routine. Keep practicing, stay motivated. Every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. Until next time, happy learning. See you soon. Bye-bye.